How to manage channels and interests on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage channels and interests on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click settings and then click this one, channels and interests, and then click following, and here you can manage your following channels. I don't have any following channels, that's why there is nothing here. And here you can manage you're not interested. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.